In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to give villagers jobs in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now what you're going to do is make sure that your village is at least a level 2, just because you're going to need this foragers for hire because they are able to actually have jobs. Now this is just level 2 and there should be other ones as well. Now what you're going to do is, once you actually have that, you're going to walk up to one of your villagers and you're going to be able to assign them a job. Now, as you can see, we can say, let's talk jobs, help the village. They can do whatever they would want. You can cook food, grow food, just assign whatever, and then they are able to do their job. Now, once they are doing their job, you will be able to actually collect the resources once they have done their job. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.